In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Typeform into your Shopify store. It's a straightforward process that can enhance customer engagement on your site by adding interactive forms and surveys. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Typeform's website and log into your account. From your main dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the Workspaces section. This is where all your forms are organized. Once you're in the Workspaces, take a moment to locate the specific Typeform you want to embed on your Shopify store and give it a click. This gets you into the form settings, where you'll perform most of the upcoming steps. Next, look for the Share option. It's usually visible on the toolbar, so it should be easy to find. When you click on Share, a new window or panel will open with a variety of sharing options. For our purpose, you'll want to select Embed in a web page. This option allows you to seamlessly integrate the form into any web page, such as a Shopify store. At this point, a new screen appears showing different embed options. Here you will look for the embed icon, typically shaped like brackets. Click on this icon and you'll be presented with some code. This is the HTML code you'll be transforming into part of your Shopify store. You will now want to click on copy to place it on your clipboard, making it ready for the next phase of our process. Now it's time to head over to your Shopify admin panel. Once logged into your Shopify account, you want to head to the section labeled Online Store. Under the Online Store, there's a Pages tab. This is where you'll manage the pages of your Shopify store. Click on it to navigate to the page you want the Typeform to appear on, or create a new page especially for it. Within the page editor, look for an icon that represents HTML editing, which might look like or something similar, often labeled Show HTML or Source. Click that icon to switch the editor into HTML mode, where all the magic happens. Once in HTML mode, paste the code you copied from Typeform. With the code in place, all that's left is to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually at the top right of your screen, and click it. Once saved, visit the web page to ensure the Typeform is displayed exactly how you want it. And there you have it. Your embeddable Typeform should now be visible on your Shopify website, ready to interact with your visitors. That's it for today's guide. Embedding Typeform into Shopify not only helps generate leads, but also enhances customer experience by collecting valuable feedback and data. Thanks for watching, and please hit that subscribe button for more useful tutorials like this one.